How to fix localhost refuse to connect in Chrome. On your laptop's desktop, click on the Start menu or the magnifying glass icon to open the search box. In the search box, type CMD or command prompt. When the command prompt app appears in the search results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This is an important step to ensure the command runs successfully. In the command prompt window, type the following command exactly as it appears: ipconfig/flush DNS. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. After you press Enter, you should see a message that says, "Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache." This confirms that your computer's cache has been cleared, which can resolve network-related connection issues. Now, close the command prompt window, go back to your Chrome browser, and try to access the localhost URL again. The page should now load correctly.